and her stories have been translated into so many languages. A universal theme runs through all of them, and a theme that is universal runs through all her stories. She writes universally, a belief that the essential goodness in a human being can be awakened through understanding and love. She writes and emphasizes about the human being, okay, and their goodness. It is essential to be awakened through understanding and love. If we are trying to understand someone, if we are trying to make them understood with the help of mercy, affection, compassion, and love, definitely we can change the psychology of human being. This story is set amidst a mines of Sweden. This story revolves around the mine, okay, of Sweden. Mine means, industrial area rich in iron ore, okay, and that industrial area is well known for the works of iron, which figure large in the history of legends of that country. The story is told somewhat in the manner of a fairy tale. Okay, something is believable and some things, you know, are not believable, just like fairy tale. As we describe this story for the explanation and understanding of the readers and listeners. So this story has been somewhat written in that manner. So let you know the here we go. Once upon a time, there was a man who went around selling small red traps of wires. There was a time and a man who was selling small red traps around. It was made of wire. एक बार की बात है, बहुत समय पहले की बात है, एक आदमी था जो कि स्मॉल रेड ट्रैप्स जो कि वायर से बना हुआ था बेच रहा था. रेड ट्रैप्स क्या होता है? इट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ नेट विच इज़ यूज्ड टू कैच रैट्स, चूहों को पकड़ने के लिए. ही मेड देम हिमसेल्फ एंड ही मेड द रेड ट्रैप्स हिमसेल्फ. वो खुद ही बनाता था at odd moments in a spare of time, okay, when he has nothing, he's vacant, he's empty, he has nothing to do. He makes rat traps from the material he got by begging in the stores or at the big farms. He made it of materials which he gets by begging in the stores or at the big farms. He wanders here and there, he visits big farms, he visits stores, and he collects so many useful materials to make rat traps. But even so, the business was not especially profitable. We can understand about this business and its earning. This business is not profitable. This is not enough to earn profit. So he had to resort to both begging and petty thievery to keep body and soul together. It was not a profitable business. He was not earning more and more or enough to manage his livelihood. So, to resort to both begging and petty thievery to keep body and soul together. He has to manage his livelihood by begging and sometimes a petty thievery. कभी कभी चोरी भी करता था. क्यों? ऐसा क्यों? Because he has to keep his body and soul together. Obviously, if our stomach is not full of food, we can't be attentive. हम दिमाग एक जगह नहीं इकट्ठा कर सकते. So to be attentive, we have to be, full of stomach, and even so, his clothes were in rags, and his clothes were not in well condition. It was fade, torn out. His cheeks were sunken. I mean, His cheeks were sunken. Sunken means dubla patla, thin, and anger gleamed in his eyes. And anger gleamed in his eyes means he was looking most of the time angry. No one can imagine how sad and monotonous life can appear to such a no one can imagine how sad and monotonous life can appear to such a vagabond. No one can imagine. We could not think about the standard how sad and monotonous, terrible and sorrowful life can appear to such a vagabond. Vagabond, the person who is wandering here and there for begging and collecting, garbages, is known as vagabond. Who plods along the roads? Okay, who plods, wanders along the road, left to his own meditations. But one day, this man had fallen into a line of thought. One day, that vagabond, paddler, strange man, as I told you at the beginning, when I was introducing the chapter, I told about the characters. There are 4 characters. First character is paddler. Paddler, the same paddler is vagabond in this chapter. A man, okay, about we are talking. What? He is a paddler. He is a stranger. His name has not been given in the chapter anywhere. He is a strange and unknown man. What happened with him? One day, he was wandering along with the road and he left his own meditation. Okay, what he was meditating, what he was thinking, he was falling into a line of thought. What was his thought? Which really seemed to him entertaining. And he was so happy having such a thought in his mind. He had naturally been thinking of his rat traps when suddenly he was struck by the idea. He was thinking about the rat trap that has been made by him. वो अपने rat trap के बारे में सोच रहा था जो कि उसने खुद ही बनाया हुआ है. अचानक उसके दिमाग में ऐसी सोच आती है. वो क्या सोच है? That the whole world. Next paragraph. The whole world about him, the whole world about him, with its land and seas, its cities and villages, was nothing but a rat trap. ठीक है, ये लोगों को ऑफर करता है. क्या ऑफर करता है? रिचेस, धन, जॉयस, प्लेजर, शेल्टर, रहने का स्थान, एंड फूड, खाना. ठीक है, I mean these are the primary and basic needs of human being that they need and look for, they roam for. हर जगह इंसान इन चीज़ों के तलाश में ही घूमता है. धन की तलाश में, जॉयस प्लेजर की तलाश में, शेल्टर रहने या मकान के तलाश में, और फूड खाने के तलाश में. हीट गर्मी, एंड क्लोथिंग कपड़ा. ठीक है, आई मीन ये सारी चीज़ें, दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट इज़ tempting for the human being, exactly as the rat trap offered cheese and pork, and as soon as anyone let himself to be tempted to touch the bait, it closed in on him. rat trap की बात है तो pork means क्या होता है? कड़ी होता है. cheese means पनीर होता है. रोटी का टुकड़ा हुआ. anything that is tempting the rat, जो कि चूहे के लिए एक चारा है. और as the rat tries to catch it to have it, it is closed in on him. और ये जो rat trap है चूहे को अपने अंदर बंद कर लेता है. सीधी सी बात है. and then everything came to an end, और सब कुछ ख़त्म हो जाता है. ये जो पैराग्राफ है ये उसका थॉट है. and this paragraph is very very important to know that what thought came to the paddler's mind. वो क्या विचार था जो पैडलर के दिमाग में आता है? वो विचार ये है, सीधी सी बात है. There was, I mean, he was thinking about the world. He was comparing the world as a rat trap, and the people of the world as rat. And there is a bat for everything. हर चीज़ के लिए एक बैट है, एक चारा है. हर इंसान उस चारे में फंसा हुआ है. वो चारा क्या है? मकान हो गया, धन हो गया, प्लेजर हो गया, खाना हो गया, क्लोथिंग हो गया, हीट हो गया, गर्मी हो गया, ठंडी हो गया. कुछ लोगों को ठंडा पसंद है, कुछ लोगों को गर्मी पसंद है. जिनको गर्मी पसंद है वो इंडिया में आएंगे, जिनको ठंडी पसंद है उनके पास अगर पैसा है तो वो अमेरिका में जाएंगे, इंग्लैंड में जाएंगे. तो दीज आर द टेम्पटिंग थिंग्स फॉर द ह्यूमन बीइंग, एंड दे आर टेम्पटेड एंड दे वंस स्टक. और वो एक बार इसमें जब फंस जाते हैं, दे हैव कम टू एन एंड, और वो फिर समाप्ति की ओर धीरे धीरे जाते हैं. नाउ here we go to the next paragraph. The world had, of course, never been very kind to him, so it gave him unwanted joy to think ill of it in this way. Now, narrator says about the peddler. Peddler के बारे में बताया जा रहा है कि जो दुनिया है, इस दुनिया में उस आदमी के लिए कोई भी इंसान इतना काइंड नहीं होता, इसीलिए वो ऐसा सोच रहा है. Unwanted joy to think ill of it. And the man was thinking such a horrible thought कि ये जो पूरी दुनिया है इसमें सारे लोग यूं फंसे हुए हैं, कोई भी खुश नहीं है, सारे लोग लालच में फंसे हुए हैं, जैसा कि मेरा रैट ट्रैप है. ये जो पूरी दुनिया है ये बिल्कुल एक रैट ट्रैप की तरह है और इसमें लोग फंसे हुए हैं. ऑफ कोर्स nobody has given a kind attention to the peddler. कोई भी उसको इस तरह से इज्जत नहीं दिया होगा, इस तरह का ध्यान नहीं दिया होगा, जिसकी वजह से वो इतना हॉरिबल थॉट सोच रहा है. He has been immersed himself with such a horrible thought. It became a cherished pastime of his. During many dreary ploddings to think of people he knew who had let themselves be caught in the dangerous snare, and of others who were still circling around the bat. Now, it became a cherished pastime of his. Now, he was thinking about his pastime, and it has become very horrible, and during many dreary ploddings to think of people. And this time, he is thinking about other people. Means, he has forgot all about his pastime. And at the present time, he is thinking about those people who have been caught themselves in a dangerous snare, or others who are still circling around the bat. वो उन लोगों के बारे में सोच रहा है जिन्होंने अपने आप को इस जाल में बांध लिया है, या जो इस रेड ट्रैप इस दुनिया में फंस चुके हैं, या जो इसके आसपास घूम रहे हैं अभी फंसने के लिए. ठीक है, मीन्स वो उन लोगों के बारे में सोच रहा है. इज थिंकिंग अबाउट द पीपल who is wandering around the rat trap. It means in this world they are about to be stuck. वो फंसने वाले हैं, वो बेल्ट के अराउंड घूम रहे हैं, चारे के अराउंड घूम रहे हैं, और एक न एक दिन वो फंस ही जाएंगे. आगे वो क्या सोचता है? One dark evening, as he was trudging along the road. एक दिन शाम था, रोड से वो गुजर रहा था. He caught sight of a little grey cottage. He saw a little grey cottage. एक छोटी सी झोपड़ी उसको दिखाई पड़ती है बाय द रोड साइड, रोड के किनारे. एंड ही नॉक्ड एट द डोर टू आस्क शेल्टर फॉर दैट नाइट. और पैडलर वहाँ पर जाता है और दरवाजे को खटखटाता है. क्यों? बिकॉज ही वॉन्टेड टू स्टे फॉर दैट नाइट ओवर देयर. वो उस रात वहीं ठहरना चाहता था, जिसकी वजह से वो उस कोटेज के पास जाता है और दरवाजे को खटखटाता है. नाउ nor he knocked at the door to ask for a shelter, nor was he refused. और उसने वहाँ शेल्टर हासिल कर लिया. I mean, he was not refused by the owner of that cottage. The owner of that cottage, he was an old man, allowed him to stay for a shelter. वो एक रात के लिए ठहरने का परमिशन देता है. Instead of the shore faces which ordinarily met him, the owner, who was an old man without wife or child, was happy to get someone to talk to him in his loneliness. अब the owner of that cottage was an old man. He was without child and wife. There is nobody except the old man himself. वहाँ पे सिर्फ एक बूढ़ा आदमी रहता था. उसकी ना तो कोई बीवी थी और ना ही कोई बच्चा था. The old man was very happy. बहुत ही खुश था to get someone to talk. कोई तो उसको मिला था कंपनी के लिए और बात करने के लिए. And to eradicate, to share his loneliness. और उसका जो अकेलापन था उसको शेयर करने के लिए. जाहिर सी बात है, जो ये पैडलर है, जो ओल्ड मैन है, इसको सारे लोग पसंद नहीं करते थे और ना ये किसी को पसंद करता था. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं हुआ इस बार. जो ओल्ड मैन था, ही वॉज़ वेरी हैप्पी टू हैव अ कंपनी. वो बहुत ही खुश था कि कोई मेरे पास आया है और मैं उसके साथ अब पूरी रात बिताऊंगा या फिर वो मेरे साथ बात करेगा. इमीडिएटली, आगे क्या होता है? इमीडिएटली he put the porridge pot on the fire and gave him supper. उसने पोरिस, कड़ी वगैरह बनाया और शाम के भोजन के लिए उसको खाने को दिया. Then he carved off such a big slice from his tobacco roll that it was enough both for the stranger's pipe and his own. फिर उन्होंने स्मोकिंग करी. Finally he got out an old pack of cards and played Mazolis. और फाइनली उन्होंने कार्ड्स खेले. मेजोलिस एक गेम होती है जिनके कार्ड्स वो लोग खेले. आई मीन पहले उस बुड्ढे ने उसको सपर दिया, खाना खिलाया. ही वेलकम्ड हिम एज हिज गेस्ट, ऑफरिंग पोरिस, टोबैको फॉर स्मोकिंग एंड सम कार्ड्स फॉर प्लेइंग मेजोलिस विद हिज गेस्ट अंटिल बेड टाइम. और जब तक बेड टाइम नहीं हुआ, जब तक वो सोने को नहीं गए, तब तक ये सारी चीज़ें ओल्ड मैन उस rat trap seller के साथ कर रहा था. I mean, he was welcoming his guest. Okay, we would cover the next paragraph in the next upcoming video. Till then, keep learning.